Hello everyone. In today's video, we would be talking about appeal under Right to Information Act 2005. Now, talking about appeal can be filed in two situations. The very first situation can be if an applicant is not supplied with the information within 30 days that is prescribed in the Act, then first appeal can be filed. Within what time the appeal has to be filed? That has to be filed within 30 days. Now this 30 days period would be counted from when? They are to be counted from expiry of initial period of 30 days of your original application within which the information should have been provided to you which are not supplied. Talking about the second situation in which appeal can be filed is in case there is a decision on your application by which you are not satisfied. Then the appeal can be filed within 30 days as prescribed in the Act. This 30 days period would be counted from when? This 30 days of period would be counted from the date of decision of the Public Information Officer. Now to whom this appeal has to be made? This appeal has to be made to First Appellate Authority who is a senior officer to the rank of Public Information Officer. अगर आप टाइम पे अपील फाइल नहीं कर पाए यानी ये 30 दिन के पीरियड में अगर आप अपना अपील फाइल नहीं करते हैं तो क्या आप इसके बाद अपील फाइल कर सकते हैं? तो जवाब है हाँ, आप अपील फाइल कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको अपीलेट अथॉरिटी को ये सेटिस्फाई करना होगा कि आपके पास सफिशिएंट रीजंस थे कि आप उस टाइम पीरियड में फाइल नहीं कर पाए। अब क्या सफिशिएंट रीजंस हो सकते हैं ये आपके केस पे डिपेंड करता है, आपके केस के फैक्ट्स क्या हैं उन सब पे ये चीजें डिपेंड करती हैं। नाउ देयर इज अ थर्ड सिचुएशन इन विच अपील कैन बी फाइल्ड, that is related to disclosure of third party information. The third party whose information is ordered to be disclosed can file appeal against the decision of Public Information Officer. Even this appeal has to be filed within 30 days of the decision of Public Information Officer. If the applicant is not satisfied with the decision of the first appellate authority, he can refer a second appeal within 90 days from the date of first appeal. If the applicant is not satisfied with the decision of the first appellate authority, he can make appeal within 90 days from the date of decision of first appellate authority. Now to whom this second appeal has to be made? The second appeal has to be made to the Central Information Commission or the State Information Commission. अगर आप 90 डेज के अंदर तक अपील नहीं फाइल करते हैं तो आपको सेंट्रल या स्टेट इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन को रीजंस देने होंगे कि आप वो 90 डेज में क्यों नहीं फाइल कर पाए। अब ये रीजंस आपके केस पे डिपेंड करते हैं। द डिसीजन ऑफ सेंट्रल और स्टेट इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन इज बाइंडिंग अपॉन द एप्लीकेंट. While making the decision, the Central or State Information Commission have certain power to direct the public authority to take necessary compliances, to secure some compliances. Now this would include, now I would be telling some important points about it. I would be not referring the all sections. I would just be referring the important points now. Now these compliances would include any information which has to be given in a particular form or in a particular category of information, or to make necessary changes related to management, maintenance or destruction of any record. The Central Information Commission or the State Information Commission has power to acquire the public authority to compensate the applicant for any kind of losses suffered. They even have power to impose penalties or even reject the application. Talking about the penalties, where it is seen that the Central or State Information Commission finds out that the Public Information Officer without any reasonable cause refused to receive any application of information, or has not furnished information within time period, or malafidely denied the request for information, or knowingly given incorrect, incomplete or misleading information, or destroyed information which was the subject of request, or in any manner obstructed the furnishing of information, they shall be imposed with a penalty of 250 rupees each day till the application is received or the information is furnished. Now, the total amount shall not exceed 25,000 rupees. Before imposing the penalty, the information officer would be given an opportunity of being heard. This is the end of the video series of RTI Act 2005. Thank you.